Hello everybody, it's me, aka Slip. Another video about Scattered Nexus. Just a couple changes are happening with the game. Things are starting to pick up and move faster. So I want to make a video to kind of talk about some of the changes. One big change, as you can see, is I'm changing the Tabletop Simulator Mod for Scattered Nexus. Just streamlining it, making it a little simpler. The game's kind of, getting going. There's people that are playing demo copies. There are people playing it on Tabletop Simulator for review and just to try it out, see if it's fun. As I said, it's been on Tabletop Simulator for a while. But because more people are playing it and I'm not going to be there to teach them how to play it or play it with them, I wanted to simplify the game so that it's not as confusing. It just means, as I said, I shrunk the table and got rid of a lot of the unnecessary parts. I was originally using this mod to play it, but also test out new factions as well as work on the co-op mode for the game. The new factions and the co-op mode are that's like a year or so down the line, but I wanted, it's just an ongoing project. But if you're just trying to play the game and you're trying to get a taste of it to figure out if you want to, back it on the Kickstarter or, buy the physical copy, learning about the co-op mode or the factions that don't work yet isn't really that great. So I'm going to split it into two different versions. One that's going to be for me and my personal testing, so my friends and, my playtesters will play through that. And then this version here, which is just going to be bare bones minimum for, people who want to know more about the game. So yeah, this kind of just like the demo version. But yeah, it's fun. Getting a lot of good feedback. A lot of people give me feedback that it's fast, streamlined, snappy, and that it focuses more on synergistic card play, how cards interact with other cards, rather than escalating power, because the game doesn't have mana system or energy system similar to it doesn't do like Magic the Gathering or anything like that, or there's no cost for your cards. You just play them as long as you have the available space to play them. And because of that, I think it just naturally caters to more synergistic play rather than, escalating power. And it's also fun. So I think that also allows it to be a faster, more, just a quick, fun game. It's not one that will take all day or, usually gameplay takes from, I've seen it as slow as 30 minutes and maybe an hour if you play against people who are very grindy. Also, just kind of accepting that it's just 2 players now that the co-op part isn't in there. You see me here getting rid of some of the hands. You originally had space for 8 players to have hands of cards. This mode's just going to have 2, just red and blue, and then that's all you need. And I'm just going to save the 3 and 4 player for the co-op mode. But yeah, it's fun. It's exciting and nerve-wracking being in this stage of the process. Kickstarter should be launching August 1st, and all the way till then I'm just going to be posting videos, social media content about the factions or the gameplay or the mechanics, just to make sure that people have a good understanding of the game. But that's pretty much it. Just wanted to give a quick update and let you know there's going to be more updates coming soon. But that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. And if you have any questions about Scattered Nexus in particular, please leave them in the comments. Feel free to subscribe to the channel for more videos as they come out. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.